Greetings from Hackensack. It's time for dinner. It's Victor again. I'm making one of my favorite dishes, a fish and vegetable medley, which I first saw at the fish dock in Closter. It's a great Icelandic fish shop. I have organic spinach, organic mushrooms, some asparagus here from Mexico, and I'm going to be drizzling that with olive oil. Parchment paper lined pan. So here's about 1.7 pounds of haddock from Iceland. My wife picked it up at Costco wholesale today. It's $8.99 a pound, and I'm going to be putting this organic dill, fresh dill, which I mix with Dijon mustard, lemon juice, a little olive oil, breadcrumbs, and I'm going to be putting that on this dressing on the fish. Okay, so all the dressing is on. Again, it was fresh organic dill, grated cheese, panko breadcrumbs, a little olive oil, some Dijon mustard went in there. Then I put some fresh Campari tomato quarters and some chopped black olives. And now it goes into the oven for 15 minutes, and that's dinner. So here it is. The fish and the vegetables spent 15 minutes in a preheated 400-degree oven. You can see how the breadcrumbs are got a little brown on top. This is a wonderful dish. Lots of vegetables. The spinach. Of course, the fish gives up liquid that helps cook the vegetables. I'm gonna have 2 big pieces because I'm not having a side dish tonight. But we'll have a glass of wine and a salad afterward, organic spring mix salad afterward. Enjoy!